5-stage reverse osmosis water filtration system. What was on here before was just a single filter cartridge that was underneath the sink. It was supposed to do just the sink.
You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your bag if you'll have mine.
I wanted something a little bit better filtration, so I thought I'd give this a shot. It's not an expensive item. I'm just unboxing it right this minute. It comes with a lot of things you need to put it in. It has the 1/4-inch plastic tubing. And you have your filter media. There's a lot of things in this box. Not only do you get just the filtration, you also get a water spigot. You get all your fittings. That is nice, really nice. I was thinking I was going to for sure have to make a run to get every fitting that I could possibly need. And this is heavy duty stainless steel faucet. That's got some good heft to it. I was, again, for the price of this thing, I was fully expecting one of the plastic, because I've seen a lot of these that are plastic or coated in like a chrome plating or something like that. That is really nice for the price of this, especially when you see a lot of these filtration systems. You only get, you know, 2 filters, maybe 3 filters. Maybe it does a little bit more than just your drinking water, but I don't know why you need to have perfect water to flush your toilet with. So, and here's the stand that it all goes on and around, which will take up a little space inside under the sink. Very well packaged as well. It's 6 different filters. Lots and lots of parts for this price of this thing. Okay, and the last piece is a big piece. It is an accumulator tank. That is a lot of water, a lot of drinking water. And this thing, I do believe it does 100 gallons a day of the reverse osmosis filtered water. At the time of filming this, get the price again, $139 is what I paid for this. Free shipping through Amazon. I'll get back with you here. I'm going to get everything put together. We'll put it underneath the sink together, and then here in a month or two we'll let you know how well it did or didn't do. Okay, so it says here that it's only for doing municipal water, for cleaning municipal water. That would also work with well water if you have a pre-sediment filters that you get from Walmart that removes the bulk of sediment, sand, dirt, rocks, anything that's in your water from a well. If you're buying the $400 or $500 filter system, you're going to get the same sediment in there, only it's going to make that filter not last as long. This particular kit comes with additional filters. There's one already installed in these, and then you get another set. This system should only be installed inside. It's not for outside use. It does have the very first stage is a 5-micron sediment filter, so that's pretty small already. But like I said, you don't want to just fill this up to be filling it up. This should last you a year, this system, with everything that's included in it. The filters, some of them have to be changed after 6 months, but some of them are good for a year. The first stage, second stage, and third stage here at the bottom, they're the ones that have to be replaced every 6 months. But you do have replacement ones sitting right here. as part of the package. The other 2 stages, they have to be replaced, and after 12 to 24 months you can replace stage 5, and stage 4 is a membrane that you're just going to have to buy when the time comes, and it's good for 12 to 24 months. So everything in, you're good for a year. I felt like this was something important to read right out of the handbook. It says reverse osmosis technology removes up to 99% of contaminants, including arsenic, chlorine, fluoride, lead, heavy metals, bacteria, virus, and high quality filters. RO membrane filtration precision is up to 0.0001 micron and can be used to purify tap water, provide unlimited clean, refresh, good tasting, and much healthier water than bottled water, guaranteed water safety and your health. Comes with a food grade tank and a lead free stainless steel faucet. Typically, I would drill a small pilot hole first. These are special bits. They're not going to walk, or supposed to not walk. Just go straight down through. Okay, now that the hole is drilled, you take these 2 pieces, the little collar and the faucet, and you put it down inside there. Leave it. Okay, so on the piece that's going to go onto the faucet, I'm going to go ahead and prep it down here. That way all I have to do is press it on, put a clip in, and the bolt on, blind. Piece of cake, right? Alright. So I want to prepare this piece, which hooks up to the water with some Teflon tape. Cut it right there. This goes to the faucet. Push it in. Back just a bit. Put a locking clip on. And that one's done. This is sort of an overpressure safety valve. There's a sponge. This piece right here comes with it. Has to be glued or just stuck on the inside. Like that. It needs to go towards the top, but again, it'll be sealed. This piece comes apart and goes around the drain. Push it in, pull it out just a hair, and put the locking clip. Okay. Now this one, I want it to go all the way through, if I can, and it's not going to let me. This just gets extra tight because I am not a fan of the way that this is hooked in. good on, it's on there very, very sturdy. That was one of the things I'd be concerned about, but it's really good and tight. Okay, everything is hooked up here except the main or raw water supply. And that's over here on this side here. There's the quick connect for it. Everybody that has an RV is probably familiar with the shark bite fixtures or fittings. That's what these are basically. Just don't forget every time the retaining clip so that it doesn't accidentally come out on you, because you can release these. Okay, we're getting close. One last thing, it's going to be this piece right here. Surely it's going to fit for me, right? It wouldn't dare not fit. And even though I have the drain going in here, it's likely to have some residual water in the water line as I go to put this in its place. Its place is actually that direction. Really crappy lighting under here. Really bad lighting under here. Okay, and that completes the installation. We now have purified water on tap.